How to secure your WHMCS installation. This demo assumes you've already installed WHMCS. Now let's take some steps to bolster its security. Open your favorite FTP client or your control panel's file manager. We recommend moving all writable directories to a non-public location above your web root to prevent web-based access. Let's create a new directory at the root level. Then navigate back to our main WHMCS directory and select the Attachments, Downloads, and Templates C directories. Next, move these folders to the new root level directory we created. That's it! The folders have been moved. Next, let's rename the admin directory to add some security through obscurity. This will help prevent malicious users from attempting to log in to the admin area. Finally, we need to tell WHMCS of the changes to its directory structure. Click to edit the configuration.php file. Update the templates compile directory variable as follows. Then add the attachments directory and downloads directory variables as follows. Finally, add a variable to tell WHMCS the new name of the admin directory. When finished, save and close the editor. That's it! Now let's just make sure we can log in using the new admin location. Success! Our WHMCS installation has now been secured. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to secure your WHMCS installation.